Hello everyone. For today's lesson, we will learn determine whether two matrices are equal. Alright, equal matrix. So for this subtopic, we'll learn what is equal matrix. Okay, so for matrices, we have equal matrices. So look at the two matrices below. Okay, what are the conditions that make the matrix M equal to matrix N? So we need to know the condition. Okay, what are the conditions? So let's focus to the condition. So we have matrix M and we have the matrix N. So if we look at these two matrices, let's see the order of the matrix. We have first row, second row, so we write 2, right? And then we have how many column? 1 column, 2 column. We have 2 columns, so it's 2 by 2, right? We read as 2 by 2, not 2 times 2. Alright, this is row 1, this is row 2. So for matrix M, the order of the matrix is 2 by 2. Let's see matrix N. How many rows of this matrix? 1, 2. Row 1, row 2. And how many columns for this matrix? Let's check it out. So this is column 1, this is column 2. So it's 2 by 2 also. So the order of the matrix N is also 2 by 2. So then let's see the explanation. It is found that matrix M and N have the same order. They have the same order, which is 2 by 2, right? And if each corresponding element is equal, right? Corresponding element is equal, which is A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, and D is 4. Then matrix M and matrix N are equal matrix and can be written as M, big letter M, is equal to big letter N. Right? So this is how we write the equal matrix. Okay, so there are two conditions, right? So let's write down. So matrix M is equal to matrix N if and only if both of the matrices have the same order, right? And another condition is each corresponding elements must be the same. Okay? Each corresponding element must be equal. So there are two conditions. First condition is same order. It must have the same order. This is condition 1. Another condition is each corresponding element is equal. This is condition number 2. So in order to have the equal matrix, these two conditions must be fulfilled. Alright? So determine whether each of the following pairs of matrix is equal matrix. So we want to determine whether they are equal. you have to give the reason. So it's very simple. So we check the order first. This is 2 by 2. This is 2 by 2. Then the corresponding elements are the same. 11, 11, 1 and 1, 3 and 3. So yes, this is equal matrix. Okay, this is equal matrix. They are, we can actually just write the big letter like this. A is equal to B to represent matrix A is equal to matrix B. For B, you can see it looks like they are having different order. Let's check it out. The order is one row, right? One row. So it's 1 by how many column? So the column I use a blue color. The column I use another color so that you can see how I find the column of the matrix. 1, 2. So it's 1 by 2, right? So how about D? Matrix D is having how many rows? 1, 2, 2 rows. So the order is row by column. Then I'm going to change the color. Now to blue color is only 1 column. So it's 2 by 1. 1 by 2 and 2 by 1. So order are not the same. So conclusion is matrix C is not equal to matrix D. Alright? So I hope you understand. Okay, it's very simple, right? So for this one, let's check it out. The order is 2 row 1, row 2, right? So this also row 1 and row 2, right? So we have 2 by, okay, let's check out the column. The column should be a vertical line, so 2. This is also 2, so 2 by 2. So we can check the corresponding. It seems like they are having the same order, but it doesn't mean that they must actually equal. We have to check it out, the corresponding element. So let me check out the corresponding element. Let me erase. I want to see clearly. So it looks like the 8 is okay. This one and this one are not equal. This negative 7 and 3 are not equal. 0, 0, okay. So there are some elements, corresponding elements that are not equal. So we can say that matrix E is not equal to matrix F. Alright? And then for this one, we can see that, so let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, we have 3. Okay, let's check out the number of column. Just now was row, now was column. 2 by 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3 by 2. It seems like they are having the same order. Alright, same order. So let's see the corresponding element in the matrix. Okay, let's see. Let's check it out. This is the same value. 0.5 and half the same value. Negative 2 and negative 2 same, equal. 6 and 6 equal. 0.8 and 405 are equal value. Negative 1 are equal. 12 and 12 are equal. So this is a matrix 3. Let me write down again. 3 by 2. And this is also matrix 3 by 2. So they are actually equal matrix because it fulfills the two conditions, which is same order and the corresponding element are the same. Right, so basically I have discussed just now. So A is equal to B because both matrices have the same order and each corresponding element are equal, right? Okay, for C, it's not equal to D because I have shown you both matrices do not have the same order. The order of C is 1 by 2 and the order of the D is 2 by 1, right? And how about E, F? A matrix E, F are because not equal because the corresponding elements are different, right? And matrix G is equal to matrix H because both matrices have the same order and each corresponding element are equal, right? Okay, so this is about the equal matrix, which is quite simple. So for this example, let's see this example. We are given the condition these two matrices are equal. So obviously they are having the same order 2 by 2, 2 by 2, and the corresponding element should be the same. So we have 0 equal to 0. Hence we can say x must be equal to 5, right? And then we can say 7 should be equal to y plus 1. So we can solve the y, right? Y is 6. Okay. Finally, we can say this 5 minus 3z. Okay. It should be the same. So we can equate them and solve the equation. Right? So it's 5 minus 3z equal to 2z. So 5 is equal to 5z. So z is equal to 1. So we can solve by using the concept of corresponding elements are equal, right? So you need to do the self-practice 2.1c on your own in the exercise book, okay? So these two are your homework. So I will be quite busy recently. So I will teach using this mode, using my YouTube. So I really hope that you will actually follow well my class, even though I can't do online class with you. So it's actually the same. If you want to learn, you can explore different way of learn. Okay, learning is actually depends on individual. If you want to learn, there are many ways out there for you to learn. Alright, so that's all for today's class, and I hope that you will discipline yourself and do my homework in the book A. Okay, till then, I shall see you in my next video sharing. Alright, bye bye and have a nice day. So again, I highlight to you, do question 1 and 2 in the book B. Okay, right, so bye bye.